Hi there, my name is Victor and I am a master technician. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the trunk lock actuator assembly on the 2007 to 2011 Toyota Camry. Start by opening the trunk and then remove all the clips that hold this trunk liner in. Now you can remove this trunk lid liner. To replace the trunk latch and the release motor, first unclip this rod here that connects it to the cylinder. You just need to pull back on this plastic tab right there, and then you can pull the rod out like this and disconnect the connector. Press on the tab, pull the connector out, and now you can remove the two 10mm bolts that hold it to the trunk lid. Now you can slide it out with a rod, and there it is. To reinstall the door lock and motor assembly, feed the rod through. And then reinstall the two bolts. And tighten them to 4 foot-pounds or 48 inch-pounds. Now plug the connector in and reconnect this rod right here that goes to the key cylinder, and clip the tab over until it clicks. Reinstall the trunk lid cover, so get the emergency escape handle through the hole here. And then just pop all the clips back in. And there you go. Trunk lock assembly replacement is completed. Thanks for watching. Please check for product links below the video for any tools or supplies needed to complete the procedure shown in this tutorial. If you would like me to make a specific video, please leave a suggestion in comments. And don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Cheers!